Hi everyone, thank you for this video. We are seeing the importance of vocabularies, words, and we have already done some videos. Now we are going to see a new vocabulary words. As we discussed earlier, how the vocabulary is more important to our communication and how it will be make a improvement in our communication. So every day, if you use a new vocabulary words in your in your communication, that will be more helpful from for to improve your communication. So this is Tamil. Just I am going to start a few vocabulary words new which can be used in your daily life. Before going to the new words, let's we go for the today quotes. Every new vocabulary words will give unique identity among others. Hope these quotes will make you more understanding that how the vocabulary is more important in your communications. If you want to be unique, you need to use more vocabulary words. Vocabulary words means it should not be a word which cannot be able to understand by others. It should be a word which is a appropriate fix for your communication so that it will be more effective. So today we are going to see a few words. Let's go for the today words. First word we are going to see is
affliction,
affliction.
affliction, affliction,
Affliction means a cost of pain or harm. You can see the sentence for this also. Creeping affliction of the nerve system. That is some pain or illness. We can tell that. In Tamil,
துன்பத்துடன், துன்பத்துடன்,
so the pain. So if something is harmed, you can you feel very sad, right? That one. Tunbutturan.
துன்பத்துடன்,
So today first vocabulary verse is
affliction,
reflection. So tunbaturan. It means a tunbaturan an illness. So we'll see the second one.
affluent,
Affluent. Affluent means having a great deal of money or wealthy. Someone who is having very good wealthy, they are affluent.
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 In Tamil, we can say
வசதியான, வசதியான,
so Vasadiyana. So second one affluent is Vasadiyana and wealthy. And third word which we are going to see today is
affront, affront,
just hear the pronunciation correct so that it will be good for you to pronounce.
affront, affront,
Affront. Affront. Affront
affront,
is in action or making that cause outrange or offense. Some things which you can say uh, offense. Okay, offense. Offense. You can see the words for this. It took a son's destinations destination as a personal affront.
affront,
He took a son's destination as a personal affront. So which it means that the offense something it's uh, making disrespect or something which is not good. That is the call
affront,
affront. In Tamil we can say
அவமரியாதையாக, அவமரியாதையாக.
It's just like insult. And the fifth and the fourth word is
Aficionado. Aficionado. Aficionado.
aficionado.
Aficionado. Aficionado.
Aficionado.
Aficionado.
The person who is very knowledgeable and enthusiastic about his activities subject. Okay, that is called aficionado.
Aficionado.
That is someone is very willing to do something. Someone is very educated and someone who is following something. That is called
Aficionado.
aficionado. In Tamil we can say
ஆர்வலர்.
ஆர்வலர். And the fifth word is
Agape. Agape.
agape. It's what's mean by agape. It's wide
Agape.
open in surprise or wondering. Oh wow! Something we are opening the mouth by seeing something which is not able to. We will not expecting something surprise. Wide open in surprise. Wow! Like that we can agree.
Agape.
Agree.
Agape.
Agree.
Agape.
So in Tamil we can say
திகைப்பு. திகைப்பு.
திகைப்பு. So next word we are going to see is
Agnostic.
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 Agnostic. What is mean by that? Agnostic is the person who believes that nothing is known, can be known or of existence or nature of God. Some things which is which what we can say it's something some person will be uh, a normal life person who is not telling whether the God is not is there or not. Just he is a normal type of person. In Tamil we can say
யதார்த்தவாதி. யதார்த்தவாதி.
Yadartavad. As simple as simple. That's it. There is nothing that they will not follow. They are not thinking too much and all. The person who is following day to their life and like a common man, we can say as a common man.
யதார்த்தவாதி.
So next word is
Akimbo.
akimbo. What is maybe akimbo?
Akimbo.
See, actually, uh, someone will be keep their hand in the hip. For there is some mannerism will be there, right? Some people will have some mannerism of making a sound, or when they're standing, they will keep their hand on the hip, and they will stand in that pose actually. Where that mannerism, who is having that mannerism is represented as
Akimbo.
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 So we can see the words for that. She stood with arm akimbo and frogging at a small boy. So she stood with arm akimbo. That is, she's stooding at with arm with akimbo means is keeping his arm in his hip and frozen at a small boy. So in front of he is standing a small boy and he was frozening. He is shocked and he was just stunned of that by seeing someone was stood in front of by having a kumba.
Akimbo.
Next word we are going to see is
Albatross.
Albatross. What is mean by
Albatross.
albatross? So albatross. Albatross is a uh, we can say it's a very large and very large seabird. Simply, you can say it's a very large seabird. So, which is be ruling the sea. That is a albatross.
Albatross.
In Tamil, we can say.
பசிபிக் கடலில் காணப்படும் பெரிய வெண்மையான கடற்பறவை.
So, it is a biggest one. Biggest
பசிபிக்
one.
கடலில் காணப்படும் பெரிய வெண்மையான கடற்பறவை.
So, it is the biggest sea bird we can find. If you see some things in the biggest bird in the sea, then that is called
Albatross.
albatross. So we can say like an albatross of marriage is a biggest one. A marriage is happen like that, you can say. And the next word is
Alibi.
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 Alibi is excuse. You can say something. We will say right excuse like
Alibi.
in Tamil we can say
அயலிட சான்று. அயலிட சான்று.
ayilada sandra. Alibi. So the last word of today is
Alliteration.
alliteration. What is by alliteration?
Alliteration.
So alteration. Alliteration.
Alliteration.
Alteration is nothing but it's a repetition of sound. When you can see some repeating words or sound, that is called
Alliteration.
alliteration. When you speaking, when you are sitting the judge and we can see someone was repeating the same sentence continuously, you can say you are
Alliteration.
alliteration this word. So many this your alliteration verse is this. So that is means your repeating verse is this. You should not alliterate in speaking. You need to use a new vocabularies. You should not use the same things for all continuous words or on continuous speak. So this is how we need to improve. So viewers, I hope that you will enjoy this video, and if you want any improvement in this video or you want more clarifications or anything you want to be tell about this video, you can we are pleasure to welcome your comments actually. So please put your comments on it on this video so that it will be make us to do more, and also it will be helpful for us to give a very good video and a useful video for others. Hope you will it will be useful fully. If anything you want to tell to us, just make a comment. Thank you, and thank you for watching this video. Have a good day. Bye bye.